Good morning everybody, myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory, and we have started this Irodov solution program in which we make students learn the process of problem solving. The process is composed of 4 steps. The first is have a silent mind, second is idea, third is information, and fourth is calculation. So the first step, let's have a silent mind for 10 to 20 seconds. Silence is important because your mind can have time for thinking. If you are not silent, you will be confused. Your mind will not be able to think and gather the required information. That's why silent mind is necessary. So let's discuss about the question. The question says that velocity of a particle moving in space is given by aik plus bxj cap, where xy are the coordinates of the particle moving in xy plane. Initially, both coordinates are 0. That means particle started from the origin of coordinate system. We need to find the first part is equation of trajectory, and the second part is radius of curvature of the particle as a function of x. So let's have an idea for that. So the first thing is how to relate x and y from value of velocity. We need to have an idea for that. The second is how to find the radius of curvature. So we need to rack our brain for that. The first information that we need to use is Vx is equal to dx by dt and Vy is equal to dy by dt. That is how I can relate the x and y coordinates respectively. The third thing is the radius of curvature. So we know that radius of curvature is given by 1 plus dy by dx whole square power 3 by 2 divided by d square y by dx square. Now let's talk about the calculations. So we know that velocity vector can be written as Vx I cap plus Vy j cap. So velocity is here given to be A I cap plus Bx j cap. So comparing the velocity, so we can say that Vx is equal to A and Vy is equal to Bx as per the equality of vectors. Now Vx is equal to A, which means dx by dt will be A. So integrating this expression, we get x is equal to A by t. So t is equal to x by A. Similarly, Vy is equal to Bx, x is At, so Vy is dy by dt is Bat. Integrating, we get this, y is equal to this. Now, t is equal to x by A, so if I substitute t is equal to x by A from here to here, I get this equation, which is equation of a parabola. So it may turn upward or it may turn downward depending on the values of A and B. If AB is positive, that is they have same sign, it will turn upward. If they have opposite sign, it will turn downward. Now talking about the radius of curvature, y is this, so dy by dx is bx by a and d square y by dx square is b by a. So substituting the values, we have this as the radius of curvature. At origin x is 0, so radius is equal to a by b, radius of curvature, which is minimum in magnitude. So you have seen that when you solve a problem, certain steps are being followed. You must practice on those steps. Perform, learn, analyze, update each step. The steps are a silent mind, idea, information and calculation. Each question that you perform, your mind must follow these 4 steps. Only then you will be expert in problem solving skills. Thank you and have a nice day.